face that watches every time they lie, face that laughs every time they fall. So you know that when it's time to sink or swim, the face inside is watching you too, right inside your skin. It's like a paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right beneath the skin. It's like a paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right beneath the skin. The face inside is right beneath the skin. The face inside is right beneath the skin. The face inside is right beneath the skin.
Sorry. Before somebody else takes you out of the frame and put your name to shame, cover up your face. You can't run the race, the pace is too fast, you just won't last. Somebody else takes you out of the frame. Put your name to shame, cover up your face. You can't run the race, the pace is too fast, you just won't last. Forfeit the game before somebody else takes you out of the frame. Put your name to shame, cover up your face. You can't run the race, the pace is too fast, you just won't last. You like to think you're never wrong. You live what you do. You have to act like you're someone. You live what you do. Sorry, buddy, I'm sorry.
You live what you do. You wanna share what you've been through. You live what you
do. Bang, bang. Ah. They didn't get you? Wow. Sorry. Huh? I'll take your word.
So it's not a trade?